buy bonds on Merrill Edge, follow these steps. Log in. Access your Merrill Edge account via their website or mobile app. Navigate to Bond section. Click on the Accounts tab, then select Trade. Choose bonds from the trading options. Search for bonds. Use the bond search tool to find specific bonds you're interested in. You can search by bond type, issuer, rating, or maturity date. Review bond details. Once you select a bond, review the detailed information provided, including the bond's coupon rate, yield, maturity date, and credit rating. Place an order. Click Buy next to the bond you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details. Confirm purchase. Verify the order details, including the total cost and any associated fees. Confirm the purchase by clicking Submit or Place Order. Monitor your investment. After purchase, monitor your bond investment through your Merrill Edge account. You can view bond performance, interest payments, and maturity information. Contact support. If you need assistance, use Merrill Edge's customer support for help with bond purchases or investment advice.